The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shining.
I'm too cute for public school.
Look, ain't get between my class with 8 days.
You been talking to him?
Damn.
Oh, you love it, you washed up poor. Seems like everybody's in good spirits. Hi, Chris.
So I've been binge watching this TV show called Survival of the Thickest, and I absolutely loved it to the core. I really like such TV shows which revolve around a girl boss kind of character and how problems are thrown at the main character and how she manages to tackle them all. I really love such shows, and I'm not the kind of person who usually binge watches anything and everything, but this show is so good. I was really invested in the show, and towards the end it started moving in another direction and I was like, no, she cannot be doing it. But I'm so happy with how the show has ended, so I just wanted to fill you on that. Something really exciting to share with you all. I have two things. The first thing is I just booked my annual solo trip. I am so excited. Like last year I went to New York. It was a solo trip. I had so much fun and it was a super memorable trip, and this year I booked somewhere really exciting. I'm gonna tell you guys as the date comes closer, but I booked it for the first week of September. And the second thing that I wanted to share was about the meet and greet here in Toronto. Now a lot of you have been asking me to conduct one ever since there was a meet and greet in Hyderabad, so I decided to finally give in and do it. So I created this Google form, and if you're interested, certainly fill it so that I can send you the location and the time details. I cannot wait to meet all of you. My skin's been acting really weird lately. It's so greasy and like I feel that urge to wash my face multiple times. That's when I came across something that I wanted to share with you all in today's video. I've been recently introduced to Aqualogica's Glow Plus Smoothie Face Wash. This is a super gentle cleanser. It helps you brighten as well as hydrate your skin. It's packed with papaya extracts and vitamin C, and the best part is it is non-drying. It does not strip off your natural oils, which I absolutely think is something that I look out for in any face wash. Honestly, I feel like the face wash was really refreshing. No matter what the weather is, it is so important to moisturize your skin. I feel like that is the most basic skincare product. Like a moisturizer is the most basic skincare product that you should always have in your skincare routine. And today I'm going to be using the Aqualogica Glow Plus Jello Moisturizer. This deeply helps in moisturizing and nourishing your skin. Plus, this also has papaya extracts and vitamin C. This is a super lightweight and a non-comedogenic moisturizer, and also this absorbs super quickly into your skin. Aqualogica is clean, vegan and cruelty free, and their products are available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. You can use my coupon to get a flat 20% off on ordered products. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. Cheers!
The brightest sky I have ever seen, the most colorful one.
So I'm here at Grand Bend with my friends. We've come on like a day trip to enjoy the beach and the town here.
Like a dream, you wake me up with a new wide smile, and I know I'm truly alive. I wanna save every moment now. Hold tight, my love, we got this one right. And if they ask us where we've been hiding, we'll just shake our heads. And when no one is listening, I confess, I let you in on everything, even the fact that I'm obsessed. I don't scare you too much, babe. I wish to flatter, not alienate. Since I met you, my life's like a train, running smooth, I've been made for you. And when no one is listening, I confess,
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Good, it's been a while.
Yeah, it's been quite some time.
What's going on with you? Catch me up to date.
Oh my god. So I think we